listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast, a podcast for today's insurance agents. Informing, educating, empowering, improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static. In today's episode, stay ahead of the game this AEP. We are currently in the midst of preparing for busy season, and we're turning our focus to supplies. How to get your Medicare enrollment kits on time, written by Roxanne Anderson. A vital step in AEP prep involves making sure you'll have the Medicare enrollment supplies you need to give clients. How can you ensure you'll have your enrollment kits by October 15th? With all the online enrollment options, paper is almost a thing of the past. Electronic scopes have replaced paper scopes of appointment, and stocking up on paper applications isn't necessary thanks to direct enroll options, like your CMS-approved Medicareful site, soon to be Shop and Enroll. However, I did say almost because it's still valuable to give your clients hard copy welcome materials for the plan they select. We'll walk through the process of getting those materials in your hands so you can get them in your clients' hands. We've got 4 steps to get your Medicare enrollment kits and supplies on time. Number 1. Know your carrier's Medicare supply ordering processes. To help ensure you get what you need before the annual enrollment period, or AEP, you should become familiar with the process for ordering enrollment supplies for each of the Medicare carriers you represent. Here's what you want to know. When will you be able to order supplies for the upcoming plan year? Does the enrollment kit contain everything you'll need? Will you need to order other items separately? Will you be sent a certain number of kits automatically after certifying? How is that number determined? How many kits can you order at a time? Do you need to request an exception? For example, if you're expecting a large turnout at a sales event. How do you order additional enrollment supplies? Over the phone, via email, fax, online? Do you need to fill out and submit a special form? How will supplies be shipped to you if you order them via snail mail? Whew, that's a lot of questions, I know. Luckily, the answer is shorter. As a national field marketing organization, Ritter Insurance Marketing collects this information for many Medicare Advantage, Medigap, and Part D carriers and makes it readily available to agents. You should be able to find much, if not all, of this information that you're looking for on Ritter IM's carrier pages. Now, quick disclaimer, to view the carrier pages, you must be registered with Ritter. If you're not already registered, you can use the link in the episode notes to register. Then you'll have the info and login you need. Let's move on to number 2. Complete your Medicare certifications early. Completing your AHIP certification and other Medicare agent certifications early has its perks. Peace of mind aside, most carriers will only send or let you order Medicare enrollment kits if you have completed your required MA and Part D certifications and are considered ready to sell. Additionally, some carriers let agents who certify early pre-order their Medicare enrollment supplies to beat the rush and have those consumer-facing materials before AEP. If you put off certifying or simply assume your certifications are complete, it can have a devastating effect on your ability to start selling on October 15th. In the past, we have had agents assume they completed their certifications and that their kits would be sent to them. Unfortunately, come the start of the selling season, these agents usually find out that they are not ready to sell and need to contact the carrier or certification provider to complete their certifications. This puts them way behind schedule, and they often get stuck in the rush for enrollment kits. We do not want that for you. So take our pro tip. Verify that each of your certifications are complete and that your request for enrollment kits has been received. There's never any harm in getting an early start in your AEP preparation. Why wait if it could make you late? Next on the list, number 3, pre-order Medicare enrollment supplies if you can. Want to really reduce your stress this AEP? One of the best ways to do that is to pre-order your Medicare enrollment kits if you're able. Consumer-facing Medicare materials for the new plan year cannot be distributed prior to October 1st. Therefore, most carriers will only start shipping enrollment kits and supplies to agents on this date. Pre-ordering your supplies before then ensures your requests will be among the first ones processed. If all goes well, you should receive your supplies with plenty of time to get organized before Medicare's busy season. Ritter's operations support team can help you with the processing and delivery of your enrollment kit orders. It is a definite perk to have a dedicated team of industry professionals in your corner, especially when you're getting ready for the busy season. Their AEP prep support is just a quick and free registration away. Think of it this way. When you pre-order, you're being proactive and setting yourself up to succeed. Finally, number 4, don't wait until AEP to submit orders. Around AEP, Medicare Advantage and Part D carriers get flooded with requests for supplies, and the processing of these requests can really delay shipments. For example, let's say you order Medicare supplies after October 1st. Your delivery could take 12 days or more. If you order supplies now, or as soon as you possibly can, you should receive what you need by the start of AEP, maybe even sooner. And keep in mind, while you can't collect an enrollment form until October 15th, you can still set appointments and hand prospects and clients kits after October 1st. That is one of the ways you can maximize the first 2 weeks of October. Now, what happens if your kits get delayed or you run out of supplies? Well, if you need a way to collect compliant permission to contact or scopes of appointment, Medicareful can save the day and streamline your sales. Your own site also lets you enroll clients in several major Medicare plans online and houses summary of benefits forms. Now, quick disclaimer here. As of October 1st, 2023, Medicareful will be rebranded to Shop and Enroll. It's essentially a new name with new colors, a little bit of a facelift, but the purpose of the website will stay the same, and we are handling all the changes on our end, so there's no need to worry about that. When you think about it, a lot of your success during AEP can depend on having Medicare enrollment supplies when you need them. Be sure you're doing all you can to excel during AEP. Remember, don't just survive, thrive. If you have any questions on AEP preparation, don't hesitate to reach out to your local sales reps. You can find their contact information using the link in the episode notes. Additionally, you can send your questions to be answered here on the podcast. We'll have a link to Ask the ASG in the episode notes. It's a link to a short form you can fill out and ask your question. Now, in exchange for that question, Ritter agents will get a 20% off coupon code for ShopRitterIM while supplies last. So if you're not yet partnered with Ritter Insurance Marketing, another incentive to do that and get a discount on marketing materials for your business. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an Integrity company. This episode was written by Roxanne Anderson. Script adaptation by Tina Lamoureux. Recording and production by me, Sarah Ruppel. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Artwork by Vivian Zhao. Follow along with our show wherever you like to listen.